Good morning. I am Dr. Dilip Patwardhan, ophthalmologist from Sangli, Maharashtra. I got eye hospital since last 40 years, and as I went on getting many answers to my questions from Jivan Vidya Mission Philosophy, which was founded by philosopher Vaman Rao Pai. Now his son Prahlad Dada Pai, who is a highly educated, who has done graduation from Powai IIT, management from Jamnalal Bajaj Institute, Mumbai, and is trained in total quality management and has designed many nice courses. Once I asked why we get negative thoughts, why there is tendency to get negative thoughts. And the explanation was very nicely given by Jivan Vidya Mission. See, in whole day, you almost get more than 60,000 thoughts. And it's found that more than 95% thoughts are negative. Why? Is there a reason why you should get 95% negative thoughts? Why not positive thoughts? The reason behind is that there are two reasons. As you know, every being here, animal, has got 4 survival instincts. What are they? Fear, hunger, sleep, and sex. And human being is having intellect. Other animals also do have, but human being has got much developed intellect, and he has got choice to use it. So, when a child is born, these instincts are there, but first instinct is hunger. That is why the child immediately starts sucking from the breast, isn't it? That he is not to be told. There is no need to teach the child. Sleep is natural because of takes a lot of sleep when he is child. About fear, that develops later. That develops either by his own experience. If the child touches fire, he gets pain, then he learns from own experience, or he is conditioned or taught by his mother, father, circumstances around, people around. They go on conditioning him. And they go on telling what not to do. You can see a child of 4-year-old, if you tell him to jump from 2 feet height, it will jump. You keep him on 5 feet height, which is dangerous for him. But if you tell him, he will jump because the fear is not developed yet. So, this is developed by circumstances around. So there is a big list of what not to do. Not to do list is tremendous. We always say there are many no parking boards, but difficult to see parking board, isn't it? So this is one reason why negative thinking starts. Second reason, when child becomes adult, these 4 instincts are there: fear, hunger, sleep, and sex. Now, out of these, if these natural instincts are not fulfilled, or there is some obstruction, is there some resistance, then anger will start. In the sense, I will give example. Suppose there is some food available, which is sufficient for only 2 people, 2 persons. And there is a group of 10. When it is there, now everybody start thinking in his mind, if I don't grab it earlier, I may not get it and I will remain hungry. And hunger is natural instinct. So the competition starts and fighting also starts. So that negative thinking immediately starts when there is obstruction to the natural instincts are challenged, isn't it? So that may come out of fear of losing that some thing which he needs. If he doesn't get good sleep, there's somebody disturbing, again he will get angry. So all these negative thoughts starts coming, and they are moving all over the world. As I told last time, even if I talk, this is that way, is not a very subtle. It's quite so that my speaking also reaches the other end of earth, isn't it? If my friend is in California, he can listen to me if he catches my vibrations on mobile. So even speaking, this also reaches and moves around. Then the thoughts are still subtle, and these subtle things move fast, and these negative vibrations are moving around all over the earth. And as I told you, because of those natural instincts, the negative vibrations are more. So naturally, those are attracted towards every person. That is why you always get negative thoughts very easily. Just close your eyes, try to do meditation. What will happen? You will start getting negative thoughts more than positive thoughts. Now what to do? What is the cure for it? Jivan Vidya tells the cure for it. See, if there is some pot is there, which is empty pot, but which is really not empty, there is air inside. If somebody tells you to remove that air, what you have to do? You go on removing, the new air will enter. So we have to fill it with water. Similarly, if you want to have the positive thoughts, which everybody tells, go on doing positive thinking, but what to do for doing positive thinking, nobody tells. Only Jivan Vidya tells it. You have to fill it with positive thoughts. For that, Jivan Vidya has created universal prayer. When you go on uttering that prayer continuously, there is no chance for negative thought to enter. Isn't it? See, in all sort of religions, there is beads, and they go on doing jap, you know that? Means chanting of certain mantra or some name. The science behind that was the same. You go on concentrating on good things continuously, so there is no chance for negative thoughts to enter. The universal prayer, what is it? O God, bless all with health and wealth. Bless all with money and harmony. O God, bless all with peace and bliss. Bless all with wisdom and your devotion. This is nothing but a golden mine of golden thoughts. Only positive, and that also they are not only positive, but they are harmonious. Because here we are not thinking of self. There is no I in that. It is we for all. A harmonious thinking is more useful than only positive thoughts. The harmonious thinking is synchronizing with the laws of nature. Because in nature you will see it is harmonious. There is ecosystem. Everything in this world helps each other to grow together. In our body also they say that every cell is attached to every other cell. In body, see the mechanism, every organ is helping each other. There is a teamwork. Isn't it? If you are going somewhere, you get injury to your foot, immediately your hand will go to that spot. If it is painful, you will get tears. Means all are synchronizing, helping each other. There is a teamwork. And synchronizing with the nature will lead to positive thoughts and harmonious thoughts. So universal prayer is the answer to get the positive thoughts. And this has to be done, especially taking efforts. because negative thoughts will easily come. As I told you the reasons, they are just there in the atmosphere. So to avoid them, go on chanting prayer, universal prayer, so it will sort of a form and total covering so that negative thoughts cannot enter. Just like you put helmet on your head to avoid all the noise, all the dangers, injuries. Similarly, this is a helmet. This universal prayer, you can call it helmet to protect your brain, or rather your thinking process. And that is going to help you in life. So universal prayer is the answer to get harmonious thinking, and which will alter your life, totally alter your life. Because you will always get the advice from many that you should do positive thinking, positive thinking. But as I told you, you just can't do positive thinking like that unless until you start thinking of all. I should go and should be replaced by we or all. That is important. Will you do that? Yes. So start uttering universal prayer so that will be helpful in your life. Thank you very much.